back, all you fantastic Austroflamm and Rika owners. I'm Scott with Off-Grid Stoves and More, and this is a quick short on how to remove your convection fan. Let's get right to it. Now, this is obviously an insert model. Freestanding model is going to be identical. The only difference is obviously you have a base and a longer side panel. Still connects the same way. First thing that you're going to want to do is go to the left side of the stove when you're facing it, okay? And inside of the hopper, you will see 4 self-tapping screws right inside of the colored panel. What you do is you remove the 2 center screws, and that will allow you to pop your side panel off, okay? And when putting it back together, remember there are pins that you set this on in order to guide it, which sits on right there like so right there, Jim Bob. After you get your panel off, here is your convection fan right here. First thing that you're going to do, which I've already done, is unplug the wires. And right back here, you have 2 screws. And over on this side, you have 2 screws, okay? Both sides will hold the bracketing into place. Remove those screws on each side. Go ahead and slide your fan out like so. There you go. It's that quick, that easy. Gonna slide it right back in there. Make sure that you don't, if you have an igniter, this is a unit that's got an igniter, so this is the igniter wire. Just want to make sure that you pull it out of the way. Slide it right back into place. Now what you're going to want to do though is when you put it back, you want to lift it all the way up. So when you tighten those screws, you end up, let's see if I can get a shot of it here. Let's see, right here. Okay, I guess you can kind of see that. You can see how they're elongated, okay? So what happens is when you lift the fan up, it's going to hold the body of the fan up against the heat tube so you don't have heat loss. So after you lift it up, you end up retightening them, put your wires back together. All you have to do is fire it up and it should be quiet as a church mouse. So there you go. I hope this helped you out. If you need anything whatsoever in the way of parts, instructional information, troubleshooting, go ahead and give us a call. 800-348-1021. It will take us up to 24 to 48 hours right now. Julia and I it's about what it's taken for us to get back with phone calls. It is January, so it is very, very busy. Otherwise, email us. It's the quickest. So if we're out in the field or doing whatever, it will chime our phone and we will get back to you a lot quicker than 24 hours, that's for sure. It'll be the same day. Stay safe. Peace.